everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the brand new gripper to go. This is a new addition to the Microjig family. Built using the same concept as the full gripper, it's smaller than 2.5 inches wide and has 3 fixed legs that are staggered. You have the ability to flip it around for more options. It comes with a color-coded index sticker that goes on the scale of your rip fence. When you go to cut, look for what color is underneath the indicator. That color is repeated on the ends of the gripper, and whatever color that is should go facing the user. This is a safer alternative than a typical push stick because it protects your fingers and keeps them up and away from the blade. You're able to apply pressure on your workpiece and gain better control. Here's a close-up look at the green grip material, and I do want to point out that it comes pre-assembled, so you just take it out of the box, it's ready to go. Because this is made to cut narrow strips as narrow as 5/16, this gripper is to be placed alongside of your rip fence, and it glides along when you're pushing your material through and cutting. You can use 2 grippers at a time for longer pieces. If you have any questions about this product, please leave it for me in the comments. I will include shopping links in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe here on YouTube and find me on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram as well. As always, I thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.